My name is Nef.
My name is Michael.
My name is Daoud.
My name is Julia. And my name is Elena.
My name is Indira.
My name is Christina.
Hi, my name is Rustam. I'm from Uzbekistan. This is my second year being here, one of the camp leaders.
Very impressive to see how everyone comes together and they become a family in such a short time.
The kids here are constantly being brought through a lot of challenges that make them build their leadership skills, their teamwork, their mindset, entrepreneurial mindset, and of course improve their English level.
It's a god!
More than 20 nationalities come to our camp every year. And after our camp, your children become more confident and independent.
Our children learn how to develop leadership skills, to improve their English, to improve their typing on the computer. They have various classes that they attend. And also, at the same time, they learn how to really work as a team, help each other, and develop their interpersonal skills. So we are very happy. This is an amazing opportunity for everyone to experience friendship and culture, travel, and love.
With all of the programs that we provide here, it's all helping to make them all work together on everything. Go on trips to like Langkawi, Singapore, to Genting Highland, and many more.
And I would say there are really a lot of activities to do with the kids. Mostly, as myself as a helper, it's like the afternoon activities. So sports, games, and some riddles. And I have to say, most of the kids were really into it, involved. I really like the synergy that they put through. And I would say that overall it's a really great experience.
I would say it's been an enormously rewarding experience, watching the kids grow and develop their English skills, the teamwork and the synergy between them, and I think overall everyone's had a really good experience.
From my experience, I can say that children love it here, and it's a great opportunity for them to open up, to develop their social skills, to develop their skills in general, and to develop the network of friends from all over the world.
But I have to say my favorite thing about the camp would be the children. They're great, they're excited to learn English, and they're also really excited to teach me a few words from their language. So coming here, not only do I help them practice their English, but I also get to learn some new words in another language. And now, when I travel, I have friends all over the world who will be excited to see me.
Group Intermediate 1 love, and the best thing that I really love and adore about this camp, it is traveling.
So I like this camp, I like Malaysia.
I think it's best camp of the best, and I wish for all be in this camp.
I really encourage everyone to come here to try it out, and trust me, I'm sure you're gonna come back again.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Welcome to Malaysia! Welcome to Malaysia! Welcome to Malaysia! Welcome to Malaysia! Yay!